pork barrel barbecue beer can chicken. So you want to start out with a nice tall can. Open it up and pour a little for yourself. But you want about half a can left in the can. So what we're going to do before we put rub on the chicken is to put a little bit inside. So this is where we're using the pork barrel barbecue spice rub. So I have a whole chicken. What I'm going to do here is open the chicken up and put some olive oil on it. Just get a nice coat over everything, because what we're going to do now is put the spice rub on, and the olive oil helps the rub stick to the chicken. This is a nice, easy way to cook a whole chicken. And you can always put a little bit more on later. Okay, so now we're just going to slip the chicken down on top of the can, and it goes down about 3/4, and it'll sit up nice off the grill. And I think I'm going to add a little more rub to the top because it didn't get it as even as I would like. But you can see how simple this is, and now it's just a matter of taking it out and putting it on the grill that we have heating outside. Okay, what we have here now are two that we've prepared, one with the beer, and then this other one we prepared in the same way, except that we used the beer can but took the beer out and put chicken stock in so that the person who didn't want one with beer could have one that was cooked in the same way. So we're ready to go, and we're ready to close the grill. Okay, it's time to check on these. Oh, they smell wonderful, and they look good too. I'm going to check the temperature. It's been about 1.5 hours. We want to make sure. Oh, they're perfect. This one is anyway. So actually it cooked a little faster than we thought they might, but oh, perfect. It goes in so smoothly. So the way this works, then the liquid that's in the can, the half a can of beer or the half a can of chicken stock, it boils and it keeps the inside of it moist, and so that the chicken stays great. So now we're going to take these off and finish the rest of our meal, and pretty soon we'll have an awesome meal. Bye. Okay, it's time to cut into these. Oh, look at that steam. Look how good they are. So I'm going to pick this one up. It's so tender. See, it's just going to come right on off. I'm going to take the wings off. So I can get under the skin here. Look at how juicy that is. Okay, here we go now. Look at that. It's juicy, it's dripping. You could probably cut it with just a regular knife. It's that tender and that juicy. So we're getting ready to eat this chicken that we've cooked and some great corn on the cob and other vegetables. And we've got two kinds of pork barrel barbecue sauce, the regular award-winning sauce and the new sweet sauce. We're ready to dig in.